Once you have acquired a Unity Split license, the next step is to secure a Unity Split contract. This tutorial will walk you through the process of purchasing a Unity Split contract with Ultima. The Ultima team regularly conducts various promotions. During the promotion, an additional tab with promotional products will appear in the dashboard. You can always find details about ongoing promotions on our Telegram channels. Please note that the process of purchasing promotional packages is similar to the process we will demonstrate in this tutorial. So log in to the DeFi website. By default, the Unity Split dashboard will open. You can switch between dashboards by clicking the corresponding buttons in the right corner. Scroll down the page to find a list of available products for purchase. To purchase a Split contract, go to the Unity Split Contracts tab. Once you've selected the contract that suits you the most, click the Purchase button next to it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose your preferred payment method. After selecting Ultima, ensure you agree with the provided terms by checking the corresponding box. Then click the Purchase button to proceed. In the subsequent window, you'll find the total amount in Ultima, along with the wallet address to which you should transfer the specified amount. A QR code will also be available for mobile app users to streamline the transaction process. To complete the transaction, send the exact amount as displayed on the screen to the provided wallet address. It's crucial to send the precise amount shown to ensure a successful transaction. After making the payment, wait for a notification confirming the receipt of your payment. Congratulations! You've successfully acquired a Unity Split contract. Having purchased the contract, you'll notice that the values on the Split license usage widget in your dashboard have been updated. The purchased contract will also be shown in My Contracts section. If you have any questions, contact our support service and we will be happy to help you. We wish you success in your work.